Hey my babies, it's your girl Christina Naturally Nola back today with another Curlbox unboxing video. So today the products we have is going to be the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. It's the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Lint Retention System. Okay, I think I'm really going to like this one. So in this box, I see they gave us some coupons. I like saving money, so coupons is perfect for me. And this paper right here is just more information about the line and everything that we're gonna receive in today's box. So here we have a letter from the editor. The magic in your life is you. Be it your personality, your ambition, or that luscious head of hair, you are the sparkle baby, the sizzle, and the slay. So this month's Curl Box, they've teamed up with Palmer's new Cocoa Butter and Biotin line for the I'm Your Magic Box. So style like a pro with these 3 magic words: soften, smooth, and shimmer. So first up, we have the Biotin Lint Retention Shampoo. It's sulfate and silicone free. It's gentle enough for all hair types and textures. It's perfect for dry, textured, or chemically treated hair. And Comb Enhance protects color from fading. So next we have the Biotin Lint Retention Conditioner. This is supposed to be so smooth that tangles disappear in your hair. A silky treatment that infuses biotin directly into the strands to speed up sluggish growth. Okay, now who doesn't love that? And when you're done with the biotin conditioner, spritz on a bit of your cocoa butter leave-in conditioner and run your wide tooth comb through your curls to immediately prep for styling. This leave-in conditioner also has a silicone-free straightening formula, heat protected leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, and detangler in one. Next we have the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Cream Styler. This is supposed to give your hair shimmer and shine, baby. This is a defining formula that gives medium hold to finger styles, such as twist outs, braid outs, and coils. Last but not least, we're going to finish our look with the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Shine GlazeSerum. This is a silicone-free oil that's good for adding shine to both protective styles and loose curls. You can also apply it to your scalp with its easy nozzle tip applicator. Thank you so much for watching, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you hit that subscribe button on the way in, thank you. If not, hit it on the way out. Y'all know I gotta give it to y'all every month when I get a curl box. So stay tuned for a follow-up product review. Until next time, my loves, stay tuned.